Welcome guys, a new tutorial from Sketchware Gold. Okay, so in this new tutorial I will show you how you can create broccoli, how you can use broccoli library in Sketchware Gold beta version. First I will create a new project. So I will give my project a name. This is my name of my project. So first thing what I will do is I will add here a linear. You can use whatever you want. I will use a linear. Okay, in my case, then I will go to gravity. I will select center vertical for my gravity. Then I will include text view. For my text view, I will change the color to let me see. I will use the amber. Okay, and this is a linear one. So I will go to the component. Then I will select broccoli here, component there. Okay, then I will go scroll down to library manager. In my library manager I will search for broccoli. Where is my broccoli? Okay, this is our broccoli library, and it's included now on our application. So you can see here that broccoli was included. I will go to event here, then on create. Inside here I will go to library. I will find here the blocks of shimmer and broccoli. So I will use just broccoli. So I will drag first block. Here I will select my component. Okay, broccoli. Then I will select the view where I want my broccoli to set up in a linear one. Here I will select the color. So color first one color should be white, second one should be black, and here I will select the duration is 2000. Then I will select show broccoli right here. So it will run our project right now. Okay, and let me see the result of our project. So guys, if you are not subscribed in our channel, please click on subscribe button to get new updates every time from our channel. So right now we will check our library. Okay, let me open it, and as you can see here, the library is working perfectly in our project. You can use this library as a loading library.